Hello everyone, this is Asma Khalid from Cyberpanel, and in today's video we will be talking about how you guys can send out emails from your own WordPress site using Amazon SES and FluentSMTP. So this video is going to be really detailed. Make sure to follow each and every step, and without further ado, let's just jump straight to the video.
Okay guys, so before we start our tutorial, let me just give you some prerequisites. Number one, you need to have a domain name. You have to purchase that. Number two, you need to have that domain name all configured and ready to use in Cloudflare. Once you do both of these things, you'll be ready to start with the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, come into your console, your Amazon console, and search for SES, Amazon Simple Email Service. From here, click on create identity, select identity type, which would be domain, enter your domain name that you have purchased. Scroll down, select on use a custom mail from domain. Now you can enter a subdomain, you can add anything that you want. I'm going to go with mail. Once you do that, scroll down and click on create identity. Okay, so once you click on create identity, Amazon will give you some DNS record that you need to enter in your Cloudflare. So these are going to be your DNS records, your CNAME records, and you need to have your MX and TXT type records. So click on publish DNS records and scroll down. You will be able to see your MX and TXT type records. Now where to copy those? Go into your Cloudflare account, select your domain, click on DNS from the left hand side menu, and here you have to enter your DNS records. So first of all, we need to enter these three CNAME records. Click on add record, type will be CNAME. So this is going to be your name, this is going to be your target. Copy it, paste it again, copy the value, paste it in target. Make sure to turn off your proxy status every single time and click on save. And your record is added. So let me quickly add the rest of the CNAME records. And make sure to turn off your proxy status every single time. Once you do that, click on save, and all three of my CNAME records are added. Next, we need to add our MX and TXT. Simply click on publish DNS record and you'll be able to see those. So add record, we need MX type. Okay, so first of all, copy the name, paste it over here. Now we need a mail server and we need a priority. So in Amazon, the first two digits, the numeric digits are your priority, and the rest is going, you need to copy this and paste it in mail server. And 10 was our priority. Once you do that, click on save and your MX type record will be added. Again, click on add record. Now we need TXT type record. Now we need a name and the content. So copy the name, paste it here. Lastly, copy the value, which you will paste it in the content. We're happy with it. Click on save and it is added. So we have added the TXT, the MX, and all three CNAME type records in our Cloudflare site from Amazon. So once you do that, go back to your console and click on verified identities. And you'll be able to see that your domain is now verified. Okay, so once you add all of this and your domain is verified, we are ready to start configuring our site for sending out emails. So once you do that, go to your site's dashboard. From here, we need to add the plugin. So go into plugin, click on add new, search for Fluent SMTP. Okay, so we're gonna go with the one with 60,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. Activate it. Once you do that and your plugin is activated, you'll be able to see this little button at the very top which says configure Fluent SMTP. Click on that. Okay, so now you need to select your email service provider. So we are working with Amazon SES, so click on that. Now your from email, enter from email. It should be from the domain that you have just verified. So I'll be saying help at sorry, and then your from name. Now from name can be basically anything that you want. So let's enter our from name. So I'll just enter my own name and click on force sender name and make sure that your force from email is enabled. Okay, now scroll down. Next we need the access key. Now we need access key and we need the secret key. And also we need to enter our region. Now make sure this region is the same as the one in your AWS. Right now I'm using Frankfurt. So go into your dashboard, select your region, which would be Europe, Frankfurt. Once you do that, we need to get our access key and our secret key. So go into your AWS console. From here, go into your upper right corner where your profile is set. Click on that and click on security credentials. Okay, so once the screen opens up, go into users from this left hand side menu. And click on add users. Okay, so enter your username. It can be anything. I'm going to enter my own name. Scroll down and select access key. So we need a programmatic access key. Okay, so next let's go to permissions now. From here, click on attach existing policies directly. Now we need to search for SES full access. So click on SES. I'm going to select Amazon SES full access. Next, I need to search for SNS. And again, Amazon SNS full access, the very first one. Click that. Once you select both of these, click on next. Now it's totally up to you if you want to add or tags or not. I'm going to skip this and go to review. Now in review, make sure that your Amazon SES full access has been selected and your Amazon SNS full access has been selected. Once you're happy with that, click on create user. So once you click on create user, you will be given your access key and this is going to be your secret key. So first of all, let's copy our access key and paste it in our site. Next, our secret key. So click on show, copy this and paste it in secret key. Okay, so we have entered all the information asked of us. Click on save connection settings. Okay, the source settings have been saved. It is ready to use. Now we are going to send out a test email. So click on email test. Okay, so from will be the same one that we selected before. So it would be help that we have entered before. I want to send it to anything that I want. I'm going to enter my own email over here. Once I do that, let's click on send test email. So our email has been successfully been sent. It is great. Okay, so we have created and sent an email using Amazon SES. Of course, with Amazon, you also get your email logs where you can see how many emails have been sent and to whom they have been sent. So that is Amazon in a nutshell. Okay guys, so if you still have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe Cyberpanel. And if you still have any questions, just drop the comment in the comment section. Thank you.